What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. Bit of a grey morning today, nothing too drastic, no rain given, thankfully. Went to a bike meet last night, it was really fun. Saw loads of different bikes, met a mate over there. Had a wander around, saw some very nice machines, very expensive machines. It made me realise how much people actually care for their motorbikes. It's mainly the Harley crew. Like the I know there's a lot of sport bike riders that look after their bikes, but there's a lot of chrome on a Harley, and they are polished beyond belief. Must have a lot of time on their hands. I actually saw a guy on an electric motorbike last night. He was having a right mare of a time getting through. There was like big crowds of people walking down the main strip where all the bikes were. And he was having a right nightmare because no one could hear him. He was just riding along silently. And I guess that could be an issue on a bike if you're, people don't hear you. But then a lot of manufacturers are going that sort of direction, trying to bring in electric technology into bikes. Obviously, the M&S lorry classic. Always managed to hit this thing. So yeah, electric bikes. There's a lot of manufacturers doing it now. You've got your Super Soccos, and I know BMW have actually brought out a scooter that's full electric. And I think they've got positives and negatives. I think their Super Socco are trying to go down the route of actual motorbikes that are electric instead of like scooters and commuters. I know there's a few big ones in America, big companies, I can't remember the names off the top of my head, that are actually looking into it like properly for electric super bikes and electric, everything, Tourers, which is good. If it is good for the environment, which I'm still unsure about, then good for them for looking into it and trying to progress the market and everyone else. My issue is, are they actually going to be long-term reliable? Are they going to be, can you do, because there's a limit in battery size on a motorbike. On a vehicle, on a car, I mean, you can have quite a lot of battery, like a lot of space for a battery, a large one. On a bike, you're going to be very limited to range unless they improve battery technology a lot. So, does it need to be progressed further before it's like actually a thing? Probably, but I can understand why they're doing it. It's just I saw this guy yesterday having a right problem with there's two lorries. There's a guy having a right problem with getting through the crowds because no one could hear him at all. There was a Super 73 riding in front of him, and he was on a Super Socco with his missus on the back. And there was just no difference in sound. Super 73 is obviously full electric push bike, and the Super Socco was just as quiet. It was, the wheels were actually thicker on the Super 73, like chunkier tyres, but don't know. I just find it a bit of a weird concept, I only saw one when I was at the bike night, so they're obviously not taking off that much, or the types of people that have them don't want to get a bike night, I guess. I guess they're still quite controversial, and a lot of people on motorbikes are very, petrol or die. That might not be true, but that's what I get the sense of anyway, that they're, I think eventually, once the batteries are good enough and you can do, hundreds of miles on a charge, then why not? But unless you've got something the same size as a Tesla Model X, you're not going to be able to do mileage like that, which doesn't exist obviously in the motorbike world. I don't think they look very nice either, personally. They look a bit odd. Triumph Tiger 800. Very nice. Yeah, we're still on the Fazer, the Yamaha FZ6. Still enjoying it. Just got like a hankering for something different. I need a bit of a change. It's been 6 months odd. It's been about 6 months, just over. And I got a need for something different. It's going to be a very slow ride to work today. very slow. I'd love to know what your thoughts are on electric vehicles, everyone watching. It'd be, sorry, not electric vehicles, electric motorbikes. I have seen the reports from Volvo saying that electric cars aren't as sustainable as you think they are and good for the environment because of battery, the ingredients in a battery basically. That's what gist I got from it, but it's something to think about, I guess. I'd like to know what you think about electric motorbikes, because I know people's opinions differ quite a lot. If you're commuting, I think time and place, like for electric bikes now, if you're commuting short distance in a city, hell yeah, why not? That's all you do, fucking jump on it. There's 3 lorries, is there? Oh my lord. What is going on today? Absolute chaos. I don't know what the prices are like of these electric bikes either. I know the Super Soccos are kind of reasonable. I think they're around the $4,000 mark, but oh good god. I kind of want to have a go on an electric bike just for the sake of it. I think they'd be quite odd because it'd be completely silent, no vibration, and you'd just be floating. Shred it. I just can't see myself owning an electric bike anytime soon, to be honest. Obviously their costs are going to be probably quite high, same as electric cars. Their range isn't good enough for what I want. And I don't think they look very nice at the moment. Once the sports bikes and stuff start coming out, yeah, why not? Let's have a look. But until they actually start looking like nice motorbikes, I'm not really going to consider it, because they still look a little bit concept-y in my mind. The BMW scooter looks pretty cool, very modern. That was loud. Oh, a little bit of wind cooled me down a bit. Thank you for tuning into the channel. I appreciate all of you. I think we're on a good track for a full week of uploads. I'm getting there. I've got footage for the rest of the week, so if I get around to editing, it'll be all good. But yeah, thank you for tuning into Daily Rider, Moto POV. You should check out some other videos, do some different stuff as well. Mainly Daily Riders, because I ride every day. That makes sense. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe like usual, and I'll catch you on the next episode. Peace out.